to use the digital platform to vote, which is a very easy system to use and which will be very verifiable to members, and we are able to get results 5 minutes after we have voted. For the issue of Boni Khalwale and Malala, we have not received the petition towards our ABO SG, and those are just baseless arguments that I think Honorable Boni Khalwale has. But once we receive them, we look at them, we will solve any issues that we have amicably. We are also intent to form the National Executive Board, NEB, that will be able to steer the elections that are forthcoming, and we're also going to have a committee that will listen to every issue that is going to come up from the different quarters or the different counties. So we are prepared, and we want to assure our members that the elections are going to be held on the 9th of December, mapema sana. Thank you so much.
We have a member of parliament here of Keses. Labda aseme kitu Mheshimiwa Ruto.
Okay, thank you so much. Mine on my part as a member of the party, I may not say much from the executive point of view, but rather I want to say on behalf of my colleagues, we really want to appreciate our party UDA. For the first time, we have a party that is young in terms of time, but it is advancing in terms of putting proper structures to ensure we have a formidable party that believes in democracy, believes in inclusivity, believes in public participation. The process that we are starting quite early on time to ensure we have a proper election so that members of the party from the ground feels the importance of participating and in decision-making process. We really want to appreciate them. Whatsoever, if you compare with the other parties that have been here for more than 10 years, I want to tell you this is one of the parties that Kenyans are going to look upon it. In fact, it is now triggering discussion even among the other parties. I've just seen yesterday that one of the parties are beginning to discuss on the issue of election board, meaning that this is the direction to go, and UDA now is a lead party in the Republic of Kenya.